10 habits that damage your brain. 1. Consuming too much sugar. How does excess sugar affect the brain? High blood sugar over time damages blood vessels in the brain that carry oxygen-rich blood. When your brain receives too little blood, brain cells can die. This is called brain atrophy and can cause problems with memory and thinking and eventually can lead to vascular dementia. 2. Not getting enough sleep. Sleep deprivation makes us moody and irritable, and impairs brain functions such as memory and decision-making. It also negatively impacts the rest of the body. It impairs the functioning of the immune system, for example, making us more susceptible to infection. 3. Skipping breakfast. The human body needs fuel in the form of glucose to keep the brain functioning well. Skipping breakfast deprives the brain of the fuel it needs, thereby forcing it to look for a source of energy and lose focus. It is advised to not go for over 4 to 5 hours after waking up without eating anything. For eating too much food. Several studies tie continual overeating and obesity to mental decline in older adults, compared with those who do not overeat. One study in older adults found that being overweight negatively affected memory, compared with normal weight individuals. 5. Multitasking. Too much multitasking can interfere with both working memory and long-term memory. Research by Mador and colleagues found that heavier media multitasking is associated with attention lapses and forgetfulness. 6. Inadequate water intake. If water levels are too low, our brain cells cannot function properly, leading to cognitive problems. The brains of dehydrated adults show signs of increased neuronal activation when performing cognitively engaging tasks, indicating that their brains are working harder than normal to complete the task. 7. Smoking. Researchers found that smoking negatively affected the structural integrity of subcortical brain regions. They also found that smokers, compared to non-smokers, had greater amounts of age-related brain volume loss in several areas of the brain. 8. Consuming alcohol. Alcohol interferes with the brain's communication pathways and can affect the way the brain looks and works. Alcohol makes it harder for the brain areas controlling balance, memory, speech, and judgment to do their jobs, resulting in a higher likelihood of injuries and other negative outcomes. 9. Not exercising. Regular physical activity can also reduce your risk of cognitive decline, including dementia. One study found that cognitive decline is almost twice as common among adults who are inactive compared to those who are active. 10. Sleeping with your head under the covers. Sleeping with the head covered increases the concentration of carbon dioxide and decrease concentration of oxygen that may lead to brain-damaging effects.